This is the trophy. Full presence of youngsters, school students, college students happening. And of course, the Honorary President of the Maharashtra Cricket Association, Mr. Rohit Pawar, also with his presence here in the evening. Grand finale. Both the umpires are ready for the grand finale. A sweet good evening to Mr. Maninder Singh.
There's no doubt about it. A lot of talent. We've not had a single match.
Oh yes, truly. Some exceptional cricket over the final last year. They won that because they emerged as the table toppers in the first season of the Ratnagiri Jets. The left. Sala Suru Karuya. Nishchay Damdar. Victorious tonight. Will it be the defending champions Ratnagiri Jets? Oh yes, and what a beautiful venue this has been. Nicely driven away, the first boundary.
And it should be there for the finals. It gives that push to the players to perform well in front of a crowd.
Nicely hit over the infield.
This is that wicket we were talking about. Stepping out.
Total on this pitch, and plus it's a final. Super shot here. Outstanding shot.
Look to turn every single delivery. This is good counter-attack batting by Kiran Chormale.
For the dot balls. Here's the call, but that's so sweetly timed. Right by fans. High up and handsome.
ये पर आज भी विकेट जाने के बाद ये हवा में गेंद बिल्कुल यहाँ पे विकेट बन सकती है. ओहो, सेकंड अटेम्प्ट पर.
There he goes, nicely connected, Abhishek Pawar. Goes for it again. A little finer fielder, what a catch.
Churi moved so far. He really didn't know what to do about it.
Actually, Shin Kulkarni. He'll be in action immediately, he'll be opening as well. There we go. Owners, family members, friends of the and he'll be opening, of course. The impact player sticking to that length and gets the wicket.
Mind. Has he got 116? Mind, yeah! This surface, the ball is not really coming onto the bat. It's not going to be easy for ENT.
Runs to win this grand finale. Together, the defending champions, 97 not out. Mandar Bhandari, one of the two centurions. Stadium, it is going to be a wonderful next couple of nights in the grand finale.
बढ़िया लेट खेला यहाँ पर.
Divyang Hingnekar gets that wicket.
आज तो ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ भी नहीं खेल रहे. Oh, bowled it. Divyang Hingnekar. कमाल की गेंदबाजी.
Yeah. Outside edge. Oh, dropped.
Oh. That was surprise. और मैं वही क्यूरेटर को दाद देना चाहता हूँ इसमें कि भैया इस पिच पर भी bowled in.
ये बाद में पता चलेगा.
Inside edge, and Nikhil Naik swinging their bats, fingers crossed. Who are you supporting? First over he bowled, picked up a wicket, not giving away any run. And this time again a chance of playing the final in front of a pack house. As he connected that well, fielder comes under it, won't be able to hold on to that one.
First one for today.
Gone! The left arm spinner.
Been hit for a 6. You still pitch the ball up. It's 8 runs, 2 wickets.
And that swing, Dhanraj Shinde finds the field.
Get close to that 160.
That's gone! Brilliant! Nashik Titans. Or is it that hard? Will get a ball.
Battle to the bowlers as well so that they can feel some pressure as well. Couple of more strikes like that.
Fighting for his team. Oh, connected really well. Ball had a wonderful evening, a wonderful 3 weeks, and this is connected.
Him the freedom to run the team how he wants, even the support staff. That's a big one. Mukesh Chaudhary.
And Azam Qazi then said yes in a big tournament that be or a spinner. And he's bowled him. Last ball. And Ratnagiri Jets have defended their title for the second successive year. Ratnagiri Jets have been crowned high and they deserve this title. Cricket of the highest class.
देखिए Steve, outstanding cricket right through the tournament by the Jets.
2 seasons of Maharashtra Premier League, and Azam Qazi there deserves a big round of applause for the way he has.
Amazing performance throughout the tournament, entertaining us, have won our hearts. Well, it is Eagle Nashik Titans, the runner-up team of Maharashtra Premier League 2024. But it is the team who held their nerves in the end that became the champ. And now we'd like to invite the winning captain, Azim Qazi, and the entire team. चैंपियन का माइंडसेट है. चलिए आपका मोमेंट तैयार है वहां पे, आपको रुकाऊंगी नहीं ज्यादा मैं. टू पिक अप द ट्रॉफी ऑफ महाराष्ट्र प्रीमियर लीग 2024, द ट्रॉफी, द चैंपियंस, द सुपरस्टार्स. Azim, you can head there. Couldn't stop them. They did have some setbacks, but they got a win, a title win. And if you heard the captain right now, he said we are getting geared for the third one as well. Can you believe these? Some tears of joy, some emotional moments, some dance moves. But all I can say is these are moments that Ratnagiri Jets, reigning champions now, have worked hard for, and they have made it happen. This is what victory looks like. This is what bagging a trophy twice in 2 seasons looks like. Thank you so much everyone for joining us. Well, with this we conclude the post-match presentation of Maharashtra Premier League 2024.
They're getting ready for the third one as well. What a team. Professional to the core. Clinical performances all through.